Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you a Google Sites tutorial on how you can use Google Sites for portfolio. Alright, so now here we are in sites.google.com, and this is where you want to go first if you want to make a portfolio using Google Sites. And after that, you want to make sure that you are currently logged in. As you can see right here, I'm currently logged in with my account. So yeah, you want to make sure of that. And then once you're done, then you can browse here. You can use a template gallery right here so that you can see the templates that you have available for you. So these are all for free. And as you can see, it's just very limited right here that is provided by Google Sites. So yeah, it's not really that great. And the portfolios are somewhat kind of bad in my case. I mean, it's kind of lacking. But I guess if you're just making a general portfolio, maybe a suited for portfolio, then this is all good. And yeah, let's just select one of this, or you can just start from scratch, by the way, if you'd want that. You can click on this one. And we're gonna go for a student portfolio right here because it has a portfolio in your name. So this template is specifically designed for a portfolio. And now that we're here is that you actually have a lot of controls right here. So I'm not going to go through one of them, but I'm just going to show you some of the necessary settings that you would need to tweak if you're making a portfolio right here, because the portfolio that you might be making might be having a different style from what I would be making, or maybe you're making a different kind of portfolio or a type of portfolio or so on. So now first, let's proceed to the first step. What I suggest is that you go here into settings, and then from here, you go for the brand images. It is very important that you have your logo right here, especially if you're making a professional portfolio, like maybe your brand, then this is where you can import your logo. And your navigation bar right here. This is also very important. So you can go for side or the top. As you can see, it would change. This is the navigation bar. So what I suggest is you go for top so that it would be something more modern like this one, and it would be easily seen. And the color, you can also modify that if you want. And of course, here we have the insert section. So from here, you can insert a lot. You can even directly import your Google Docs, Google Slides, Sheets, Forms, or Google Charts right here directly. So you can just drag and drop it. Or you can go even for your social links. So if you want to provide your social links, you can just click on that. And then all you have to do is go for that link right here. And then you can add the logo of the platform of that link. So for example, you want to upload. Let's go and select right here since we don't want to upload anything using our, let's go for Google Images. And we're going to go for Facebook. So maybe we are uploading our Facebook link. Then you can go for the Facebook logo and click on insert. And then it would be like this one. You now have a logo for your social links. And then provide it right here, your Facebook link right here, and click on insert. And then you would have this button right here. And all they have to do is click on this button, and then they would be taken into your Facebook URL or link or social media link, right? So that is very easy. So this is also very important. And now when you want to change an image, for example, this one right here, you can also do so by selecting from Google Images, or you can just click on the image and click on upload if you have something in your local storage. But in my case, I'll just go for select and then go for Google Images again. And maybe I want to go for something like portfolio, maybe something like that. And then maybe I would want to go for this one right here, and I can choose that and click on insert, and now it would be inserted right here. So yeah, that's very easy. And you have this one right here, and you can click on this button right here if you want to change the colors of this section. You can go for this one if you'd want that, and then you can even go for an image if you want a background image. Again, you can upload or select. In my case, I'll just go for this one. And then the next one is you have the pages. So this is where you can see the pages. And for example, here, these are your pages right here in your navigation bar. So if you want to go to the classes page, you can select math or art. Then you can click right here, and you can also see it right here on the pages section or a pane right here on the right side. And then right here in the themes, you can actually make your own theme if you don't want the theme that is available right here. So you can also go for this theme right here. And when you go to other page in the home section, it would be also redesigned according to the theme that you have chosen. Or you could just create your own by clicking on this one, and then you can provide your own logo, banner image, the name, and so on. And you can go for next. You can even go for the colors of your theme that you would like, or you can go for the custom color if you don't want the preset colors right here. And then you can click on next, and then you can also have the fonts for your theme. So yeah, this is a really neat feature right here. You can create your own theme for your website so that it would be from your own originality right here. And then just like that, once you're all done, you can now click on publish, and then you can put the web address right here. So for example, my tutorial portfolio, just like that. And now this would be the site link, and then you can click on publish. And then once that's done, then now you can go and view published site right there. And now this is your portfolio right here. So yeah, those are the basics on how you can create a portfolio right here in Google Sites. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.